Today, we're diving into a trend that it's making a bold comeback, Kitschy retro design. But first, let's answer the burning question, what in the world is Kitschy? Kitschy is all about embracing the deliberately tacky, overly sentimental, and excessively decorative. There is a sense of nostalgia in this design, but, not the cool, funky, oversaturated by now 70s trend. More like, oh my god, my grandmother bought another lead-contaminated, hideous vase. That was Kitschy. That vase was probably Kitschy. Now, why is retro Kitschy making a triumphant return in 2024? Well, there are a few key reasons driving this trend. First, nostalgia resurgence. We're basically living in a time where people are craving the comfort and simplicity of the past. Second, escape from minimalism. I know, maximalism have been around again for at least around 3 years now, but we still need to recover from the oversimplification of design we suffer in the last 10 years or so. Okay, give us a break. Third, social media and digital expression. My guess is that this style is going to be huge on social media because it knows how to catch attention. And actually, that's it. Let's start a tutorial. So let's start by going to settings and changing the artboard size to an A5. I think A5 is the most cohesive size for a sticker pack. It will be kind of the size of a sketchbook, but you know what? That's up to you. Let's change our background color. I want our color palette to look the most kitschy possible, so let's keep the contrast low. I am one of those graphic designers who just can't work without contrast. It's my pet peeve. So you can bet you see dashes of contrast in this design, but if you want it to be even more kitschy, just, don't use contrast at all. Go crazy. You guys, it's a sticker pack, let's have some fun. You're gonna be seeing me doing this a lot in this tutorial, which is duplicating the elements, and the top element will have a thin black outline, and the bottom element will have a bigger, thicker white outline. This way it looks like a sticker pack, it imitates one, and if you're actually printing, you'll have kind of a guide to where to cut your sticker. I'm about to do something so kitschy. Wait, do you guys know that one Please to Sylvester meme that is like, I am going to create an environment that is so toxic? Well, I am going to create a sticker pack that is so kitschy. Yes, I am using a pastel color gradient. Isn't that tacky? It's perfect for the design though. The black outline looks even worse. Sue me. I had this idea of making a sticker pack kind of for a planner or a journal. So some phrases are lame, like this one. Super busy. What did I have in mind? I guess I was too busy to have better ideas, but not all of them are lame, okay? You got the idea though, right? Like super busy, planner, like you're planning your week or day or whatever. Something we saw a lot in the references at the beginning of the video was script fonts, so we have to use it in this design because they are kitschy. For a long time, they were basically the category of fonts that people wanted to burn on a stick at a public park. And I don't know why, because I think they're adorable and they're trendy again. Just have this really cool approach when we're using script fonts because we take something that is quote-unquote classic and we distort it, we stretch, we make it absolutely unreadable. Take the party sticker. Script font, all caps. That's wild, but let's go. The cake element itself, it's already kind of a kitschy illustration. Anyways, the party text, basic people will think it's ugly, but cool and edgy designers like me, we know it's fire. The party sticker to remember the most important day of the year, my birthday. Guess what my sign is? Yes, I'm a Leo. I'm just gonna add some really cutesy basic elements because some of them are funky and they already have a sticker shape, so it looks good on the sticker sheet. Probably noticed I'm using young serif a lot. Is it kitschy? Yeah, it could be, sure. But also, I'm obsessed with this font right now, okay? And I'm not gonna be sorry for it. I'm using it everywhere, in every design, for real. If you see me using it again, just stay quiet. This is a girly girl design, okay? Cherries are just cute. No further explanations, I just had to add them. Cherries are London coated, and they are kitschy. I don't know how to explain, but if you know, you know. They are just, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but I really liked the way the cherries turned out. This one, you guys, you just won't believe it, how kitschy it is. It's tied with the party one. Like, they are fighting to see which one is the corniest. But this is a strong candidate, starting with the text. Happy hour. The only happy hour I'm getting as a graphic designer is my daily nap from 3 to 5. And also, when I'm designing in Kittl, the most intuitive and ready-to-use design tool in the whole world. Well, at least in my world, okay? That should be enough. Even the promo needs to be kitschy here in this video. Back to the design, you guys are gonna see me design my favorite sticker out of the pack. Yes, I will again make another Lana Del Rey reference. Baby put on heart-shaped sunglasses. You know, as a singer, I'm actually an incredible designer. I spent so much time changing both texts, like the top and the bottom that has the white outline, and I ended up not even using the bottom text. I didn't use it. I decided to go with a stem shape on the bottom, like as a background, because I thought it would just be easier to cut, just in case, you know, it became a real sticker pack. Now let's add some cute hearts, you know, just add some spot elements, sparkles, stars, art. Have fun. I think this is the most, like, modern style design in the sheet, the good mood. Notice how there is no bad mood, only good vibes. If you need, you can add some basic white elements in the back to cover some empty spots like I did here. And it's going to look like a sticker. I added some things off camera, otherwise this video was going to be too long, and it's already long enough. Living the dream sticker because I'm living my dream, okay? I'm manifesting my dream life. Manifesting good things for 2024. And this is the final sticker sheet. We have the party and the happy hour stickers being absolutely ridiculous. We have Lana Del Rey references with the cherry and the heart-shaped sunglasses. We have I'd rather be with my cat sticker because I'm just telling the truth. We have the super busy sticker, which is true. Please consult my manager before talking to me. And we have the motivational ones, get mood, living the dream, and making beautiful things. Claim! You're probably wondering, oh my god, where do I find those kitschy elements and beautiful script fonts? In Kittl, the most intuitive design platform. Sign up with the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!